This is Christer Sandahl. Again, welcome to CPDM and the second video now about the CPDM overview. The product lifecycle starts with an improvement demand to satisfy a need on the market and ends with a customer buying that product. In the product creation, the manufacturer and suppliers realize the product for the retailer to sell. But it is the product development, transforming the idea to design and prototype, that is the target phase for CPDM. The product development consists of development preparation, technical development and pre-manufacturing. The development preparation starts with the idea and prepares it for technical development. Development preparation contains strategy for market and business roadmap and concept study of the product, planning the portfolio which contains the product and how to reuse components within the portfolio, a business case for the product, prototyping to evaluate detailed technical risks, a user profile for how the product is expected to be used, and a final plan for the product. After development preparation, the technical development takes place, which is the core of CPDM. Capture staffing and requirements, collect technical requirement and claims human resources for development. Predetermine solutions and suppliers, propose technical solutions and suppliers to support such solutions. Architecture takes the solution and embed them to a system architecture. Finalize design, refines the architecture to detailed items to be purchased from suppliers. Realize and integrate white box, assemble own prototypes and integrate these with possible external prototypes. Verify white and black box, test a subsystem's compliance with requirements and design. Pre-manufacturing starts with a verified prototype and takes it to product launch. The prototype is validated against the user profile. A check is done on supplier components and manufacturing started with the null series. Market campaign brings promotion material. A product launch is the major market evaluation of the product before starting full-scale manufacturing. As mentioned before, during manufacturing of a product, suppliers deliver material to be assembled. But much earlier, for example during prototyping and making the business case, contacts are taken with potential suppliers. During the technical development, suppliers and their material are selected, first as samples to match alternative solutions, then as determined items in the final design, and finally components for the null series and manufacturing. In CPDM, the technical development is the focus. The three main parts of technical development is specify black box, design white box, and build and verify black and white box. I will explain this thoroughly in coming video clips. I have prepared a special site to support the video clips. Go to www.cpdm.com and click on the menu item CPDM Video Clips.